Artificial intelligence has permeated every facet of our lives, from the way we communicate to the way we work and play. Its capabilities are astounding, often surpassing human performance in tasks, ranging from complex calculations to pattern recognition. However, as with any technology, AI is not infallible. When AI systems make mistakes, the consequences can range from trivial to catastrophic. This raises a crucial question. When AI errs, who is held accountable? The complexity of accountability in AI. AI systems are the result of intricate collaborations involving data scientists, engineers, users, and sometimes the public at large. When these systems falter, pinpointing responsibility is not straightforward. The complexity of AI models, especially those involving deep learning and machine learning, obscure the lines of accountability. The creators and developers. The initial instinct might be to hold the creators and developers responsible. After all, they designed, built, and trained the AI systems. However, the issue is that once an AI system is deployed, it may evolve in ways unforeseen by its creators due to its interactions with real-world data and scenarios. The users. Users of AI systems, whether individuals or organizations, also have a role to play in this accountability puzzle. They choose to implement these systems and must understand the potential risks involved. Yet users often lack the technical expertise to fully grasp the intricacies of AI behavior. The legal perspective. From a legal standpoint, determining liability when AI makes a mistake is challenging. Laws and regulations are still catching up with the rapid advancement of AI technology. Some experts argue for the creation of new legal frameworks to address the unique challenges posed by AI, while others suggest adapting existing laws to the new context. Ethical AI, a path forward. Creating ethical AI requires attention to three broad areas: functional performance, data quality, and usage. AI systems must function accurately, fairly, and legally. They must be trained on high-quality, unbiased data. And they must be used responsibly, with a clear understanding of their limitations. Implementing AI governance. A governance framework can help prevent unintended biases and algorithmic drift in AI models. Organizations should establish guidelines and transparency in their AI initiatives. This includes setting up ethical committees, conducting regular audits, and ensuring that AI systems are explainable to non-experts. The role of education. Educating users and the public about AI is essential. People need to understand not only the benefits, but also the potential pitfalls of AI. This knowledge empowers users to make informed decisions and hold AI systems to higher standards of accountability. Conclusion. As AI continues to advance, the question of responsibility for its mistakes remains a topic of heated debate. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, a combination of ethical AI practices, robust governance frameworks, and informed users can pave the way for a future where AI's benefits are maximized and its risks are minimized. This video utilizes information from various sources to provide a comprehensive view of the current state of AI accountability. Microsoft's Copilot was used to aid in the creation of this video. I'm guilty of providing the various prompts which created the final outcome. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that it's important to note that the AI field is rapidly evolving, and ongoing dialogue among all stakeholders is crucial to navigate the complexities of AI responsibility. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.